Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to fix Android phone not ringing. Here are the steps to fix an Android phone not ringing. First, check if the phone is on silent or vibrate mode. Press the volume up button. Make sure ring volume is turned on. Increase ringtone volume. Go to settings, sound and vibration. Increase ring volume to at least 50%. Turn off Do Not Disturb mode. Go to Settings, Notifications, or Sounds and Vibration. Then Do Not Disturb. Turn it off or allow calls under Allowed People. Check if a Bluetooth device is connected. Your phone may be sending ringtone audio to a Bluetooth headset or Bluetooth. Go to the control panel and turn off Bluetooth. Check ringtone selection. Go to Settings, Sound, go to one of your SIM card. Ringtone, choose a valid ringtone, not none or a corrupted file. Check blocked numbers. Go to Phone app, Settings, Block numbers. Remove numbers that should ring your phone if you have. Reinsert SIM card. Remove and reinsert the SIM to refresh network settings. Restart your phone. A quick reboot fixes temporary sound or network glitches. Check phone app permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, All apps, Phone, Permissions. Make sure phone, contacts, and notifications are in the allowed section. Clear cache of phone app. Go to the phone, storage, tap clear cache. Lastly, disable any third-party call blocker or cleaner apps. Apps like Truecaller, Cleaner, or Battery Saver may silence calls. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.